Hello, you guys, and welcome back to SA Social Media News. Madijane has pulled back the curtain on a deeply personal chapter in his life. A candid TikTok selfie style video posted on Monday, the 17th of August 2026. The South African public figure responded to a fan's question about his romantic life had looked like since transitioning, and his answer surprised many. Speaking with a warm, reflective tone against a dark indoor background, made it clear that dating was the last thing on his mind when he began his detransition journey. He said his focus was entirely on faith rather than on finding a partner. My eyes were just fixed on the Lord, and they still are. I love him so much, he shared, crediting his spiritual grounding for keeping him steady during the transition. He even recalled a period when he shut down his DMs entirely because of the noise of social media became too much. Despite not actively looking, Eno found love anyways. You guys, the luxury furniture entrepreneur described meeting his girlfriend organically and said he was upfront with her from the very first date about his background and journey. Her response, according to him, was refreshingly unbothered. She was like, "All right, dog, let's rock. It's not deep, let's move," he recalled with a laugh, adding that the experience taught him not to let social media dictate how real people respond to your truth. He also made it clear that his attraction to women is not new. He said he dated women before, and his feelings for them never disappeared, even during a period when he was living differently. "I don't think my feelings for women ever went away," he said. "So it's not out of the ordinary for me." So, you guys, the video has sparked a lively conversation in the comments, with followers expressing everything from confusion to celebration. Miss Lorado asked, "I'm sorry to ask, but I'm a bit confused. Are you no longer gay?" Neo Pambuka said, "Eno has lived so many life." Well, there you have it, you guys. What are your thoughts? Please do engage them with me in the comment section down below. Do not forget to like, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.